In this video, I will teach you how to deploy your AppSheet app. First, you just have to go to appsheet.com website, and if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Get Started right here and sign up using your Google account. But if you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In below the Get Started button and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will automatically be redirected to your dashboard. Now to go to your apps, all you have to do is to go to your own By Me section or the recent section if it's showing your apps that you want to choose and click on the app that you want to deploy. Let's say right here. Once you've clicked on that, this should take you to the app editor where you can finish building or reviewing your app. Before deploying, you need to make sure your app is ready. To do that, all you have to do is to click on Manage right here on the left corner. Then go to the Deploy section and click on Deployment Check. It is to run the deployment check and to check or scan for issues that might prevent the app from working properly. This should pass almost everything before you use the app in a non-prototype settings. If the app finds any problems, it will list them here. And this could include missing required columns, broken references, or table provision issues. You just have to follow the suggestions to fix them one by one. Now, once your app passes the deployment check, you just have to scroll down and click Move App to Deploy State right here. This will officially publish your app and make it ready for end users. And that's how to deploy an app in AppSheet. Now your app is live and ready to use on mobile or desktop. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.